two cakes, one red, one yellow and one chocolate, and then I cut a ring out of the two and do alternate layers. You can see that I've got alternate layers. I've got a nice crumb coat on here now, all nice and smooth. I just pulled this out of the freezer, and the crumb coat looks like it's pretty solid here. See that? Okay, let's see how this spreads. Surface temperature on this icing was 72 degrees. Yeah, it looks like it's spreading pretty well. Yeah, that looks like it had enough icing after all.